Welcome back. The Rajyasabha MP Shantaram Naik has alleged that the draft mining policy has no commitment for any legislative backing. He has called the policy a cosmetic arrangement and a legal fiction. Shantaram Naik has also alleged that the Chief Minister is in fury to protect his own ministers and MLAs who are engaged in mining.
The Rajyasabha MP Shantaram Naik in a press conference has alleged the Chief Minister of tactfully protecting his own colleagues by saying that there is no illegal mining in Goa. Shantaram Naik also says that the mining minister, while formulating the mining policy of Goa, has completely overlooked the Central Mining and Mineral Development Bill. He also claims that he has done it in sheer ignorance. Shantaram Naik also claims that the policy doesn't support any law.
In the assembly, now the Chief Minister made a statement that neither any of the present MLAs of this assembly nor of the immediate past assembly are involved in illegal mining, and that there are no illegal mines in Goa. I am not aware why it is made, but perhaps he wants to protect his own people who are involved in illegal minings. That may be the only reason I see. The mineral policy of 2012 announced by Goa government, the draft policy, according to me, it is deceptive and is a legal fiction. Draft policy of state government is a cosmetic exercise. It has no meaning. There is no commitment that it will be backed by any legislation. Only if policy is supported by law, then only it can be implemented. Now, Goa government's draft mineral policy does not speak of any supportive legal framework to implement the policy. So then why you are announcing policy? Just for anybody's economic interest?
A reporter from Panji, Pratik Parab, with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar for Prudent Media.
Merck Employees Union called off their strike on Saturday. The company management has assured them of restoration of VDA.
Employees of Merck Company of Usgaon under the banner of Merck Employees Union had called for indefinite strike on 9th August. Employees had claimed that the company management failed to fulfill their various demands, which include payment hike, restoration of VDA. Sakre MLA Pramod Sawant and President of Yuva Morcha Unit of Usgaon, Satyavijay Naik, had talks with the Merck company management to discuss about the workers' grievances. Company management assured the employees to pay VDA after every 3 months. An employee stated that the strike is called off on the assurance of the MLA Pramod Sawant and BJP leader Satyavijay Naik that all the other demands will be fulfilled.
Full settlement करून बाहेर भितर सरपाचे आसले, पण जेन्ना दोतोर प्रमोद सावंत आनी आमचो युवा मोर्चाचो उजगांवचो अध्यक्ष सत्यविजय नायक हे इंटरफियर जाले आमच्या मॅटरान आनी तेंच्यांनी आमकां एश्युरन्स दिलें की हो तुमी व्हिडियोचो मुख्य मुद्दा आसा तो सेटल जाय करतकीच भितर सरा म्हणून आनी फुडें तेजेर आमी डिस्कस करुया आनी तेंच्यांनी हे मॅटर परिकारा कडेन पावयलें CM आमचो पूण आमचें आजून सेटल जावना चार्टर ऑफ डिमांड आसता आमचो प्रोसेस चालू उरतलो हेज्या फुडें आमी जर ते मागणी मान्य करिना जाल्यार आमी स्ट्रायकार वचूंक शकता फुडें.
A reporter from Usgaon, Vivek Prabhu for Prudent Media.
Save Girl Child, Save Future. A CD by Akshada Bambekar was released by Health Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar on Saturday. Parsekar said the girls' ratio has declined as compared to that of the boys in the state in 2011. Parsekar said that a girl child should be saved. Akshada said that she is a proud daughter of her parents.
and shows the ugly side of human psychology and Indian family traditions. Who do you think will change all this? It's you and me.
Reporter Vinod Medar for Prudent Media.
The All Goa Coconut Breaking Contest was held at Akshi on Friday. This was the 42nd celebration by young stars of Dugre. Every year, this unique competition is held as Akshikars celebrate the feast of St. Lawrence on the 10th of August. Have a look at one of the unique tournaments.
Sukule kore oi te goye amche ek sukache toye goya pautot so got muntas viva la Goa.
This is a unique contest organized by the Akshikars. It is held every year on 10th of August. People enthusiastically celebrate the feast of St. Lawrence, the patron of Akshay. In olden times, this festival was held by the landlords who exhibited the quality of coconuts by gathering people and showing off strength. The winning landlord was then praised throughout the year. The tradition is still carried on by the young stars of Dugrem.
आमच्या पुर्वजांच्या फुड्यान रावन आमी हे काम करून येयलात आनी आमी तेंचे आजुनूच नांव दवरल्यात ते बाबडे मेले आनी गेले पूण आमी तेंचो आयज पासून कुडास करता कित्याक हे तेणी आमकां करून दवरलेलें आमी आयज पासून हें करून तांकां दाखयता आनी एवरी इयर आमचें इम्प्रूव जायत वयता.
जे भाटकारां कडेन भाटां आसतालीं तेंच्या आंगणांनी नाल्लांची झाडां आसतालीं सो तांचे नाल्ल घेवन ते आपणाचे भाटाचो वेल्यू आपण भाटकाराचो वेल्यू दाखोवपाक हे झूज तेणी स्टार्ट केलेले. जे भाटकारां कडेन मॅक्सिमम फुटनासतना नाल्ल उरताले ते भाटकार त्या वर्साचे अशे मुखेल आदमी अशे जाताले.
A senior video journalist Turshitas Chari for Prudent Media.
It's time now for another short break, but news from sports when we come back. Stay tuned.